Introducing American craftsmanship from Wolf Gourmet. With 7-ply bonded construction and riveted handles, Wolf Gourmet cookware is crafted to deliver delicious results for a lifetime. The best sear comes from a hot pan that retains heat, and the robust 7-ply construction provides faster heating and excellent heat retention, and goes from cooktop to oven. Each piece of cookware is the same thickness and constructed with all 7 layers extending fully up the sides to heat food evenly from bottom to top. Beveled walls keep ingredients from sticking in the corners, and gently flared rims facilitate drip-free pouring of sauces, reductions, or broths. The stainless steel cooking surface releases foods just as expertly as it cooks them. Whether you've created a 4-course menu or it's a last-minute meal, Wolf Gourmet cookware ensures you can cook with confidence.